Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video today, and this time it's a little bit different. We're diving into some technology. Here we have some Jabra 75T Elite actives, and so far it looks like this was actually open before. Got this off of Amazon for I think $70 to $80. Box is slightly damaged. There's this little sticker here that says this product has a second life. Curious if these were actually used or just the box was damaged. So yeah, all the tape here has been cut. So I'm very, very curious if this was opened or not. So here's the packaging. Nice hard box. Pull tab on the side. You can see the headphones are here. So these are basically just wireless earbuds. My goal this summer is to run a little more, so it's nice to have some music in there while you're working out and whatnot. And these I saw are a pretty good alternative to the Apple AirPods. So here you have your headphones. This looks like a case. None of this looks opened at all. Just maybe the box was damaged and a customer decided they didn't want it. Hopefully these still work. In this box here, you have your charging accessories and different earplugs and some information. Won't really need that. Then you have your headphones here. Yeah, these actually look unworn, so I'm guessing the box was just damaged. If you are watching this video and you work for Amazon, please let me know. I'd love to learn more about what this sticker means. So, but other than that, headphones are here. They look pretty good. There you can see is the part that would connect to the charger in here, so that you can charge them. There's that. And little sticker. Looks like this, goes like that. Oh, they're magnetized actually. So if you can hear that. And then they go in here like that. So this looks pretty good. I will have an actual tech review later, probably next week, as I'm going on a flight. So hopefully I'll get a nice few hours of using them. Hopefully these are noise canceling. I do not remember off the top of my head if that's the case. But tune in next week and you'll get a review out of these too. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.